to gently assist your chicken in laying her first egg. Welcome. Remember these little chicks. They are growing up like a tree. Come along with me, singing, whispering, and breathing to achieve something beautiful. I sing like a bird. I grow living in love. I am I sing like a bird. I grow like a tree. I living in love. I am like I am free. You ready? Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. She's almost there. You can do it. You are here, touching every heart. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it for 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I sing like a egg. Good girl. Good girl. Tulip is a big girl now. Thank you for joining us on this special journey. Like and subscribe.